It's the same thing all the time. Nothing changes. All these faces keeping their mind cold.
We have done a lot of effort earlier, and where the ideas இருந்தாலும் you can pour in and we will take it forward. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Gentleman room.
And entire இன்னைக்கு எல்லா அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ஸும் done by Sai.
நீங்க வாங்க நேரா
கட் பண்ணுங்க.